I do PPE here and I have enjoyed it so much, just as much as I was hoping I would. Essentially, I chose it because I would like to be a politician or a diplomat at some point in the future, and this is a really straight shot at just generally the ideas and the concepts that you need to know. So I'm hoping to take politics and economics next year, though I really enjoy philosophy as well, and I think that one of the parts that I'm really enjoying about it, especially in tutorials, is that it is very much a debate-based subject. So my debate knowledge and experiences come in handy, and I've really been feeling like it's something that I am qualified to do. Like if I have done the readings and I understand arguments, I can then pick apart those and start making my own and forming my own opinions, and it's just a really powerful feeling. I'd say that's the highlight of studying my course for sure, and my workload is relatively like one of the easier ones, I'd say. I have days when obviously it's almost non-stop work, but I also have days where I can put work to the side.